If you guys remember what happened to Kendu Inu on Ethereum, this could be the next 500x on base chain. In this video, we're going to be having a look at Kendu Inu right here on base chain, listed on CoinGecko, listed on CoinMarketCap, sitting at a market cap of $5.58 million with a total holders of 9.42 thousand. So 9,500 people are pretty much holding $65,000 in volume. Now, don't be fooled by this volume. If we have a look at Kendu Inu right here on Ethereum, sitting at a $53 million market cap, this thing skyrocketed to $280 million in matter of months. We could see that the market cap is sitting at $240,000. That is not a lot considering what the market cap is right now. So volume 240k, market cap 53 million, and it's pumping. Obviously, this is pretty good news. This thing from the bottom, we're up 72%, and it's only generating 242,000. I would not be disappointed because this thing right now could literally take it to the stratosphere. I mean, look at this growth, guys. Sitting right here at $5.4 million, this thing was this thing exploded over 600% in matter of literally days. I mean weeks. I'm talking about literally weeks right here. September 18. I mean, that is literally fantastic growth. We're going to be talking about this. So let's have a look at CoinMarketCap. This is the CoinMarketCap, obviously. Obviously, you guys can see there's a lot of hype around it on the right side on the top. On CoinGecko, listed, everything is clean, everything is clear. You got the base contract right here. I will be leaving the DEX tool below and the link in the description below if you guys are interested. But Ethereum base chain, guys, is taking a lot of attention. It's getting a lot of attention. A lot of hype is coming into it, and obviously it's going to be very interesting. If we have a look right here at the website, this is the website right here. Uniting the 6 native Japanese dog breed, Kendu is the keeper of peace, the preservative of life, and protector of unity. The helmet stays on without the fees. From the past and master returns, you guys can of course read this on your own. Kendu Inu is now taking over base ecosystem coming soon. The most based, hardworking community is now taking over the next big chain. The helmet stays on without fees. So obviously there's 0 fees. You could obviously buy Kendu Inu on base. It's very cheap compared to Ethereum. So typically we know that Ethereum can get really high in fees in a bull market, especially whether that's $20 in gas fees, $30 in gas fees, even $100 in gas fees. And we could see that Kendu Inu on base, you're probably going to be doing like 2 cents worth of gas fees and buying and selling in total. So that's that on the website. If we have a look right here on Kendu Inu, this is the crypto, and this was founded by not such a big person, or I wouldn't say big person, but it wasn't founded by a crazy influencer. I mean, this is Bazizaki. He has 225 followers. This is the developer right here. He's the one that devved and the founder of pretty much based Kendu right here, leading Kendu on the pack on base, converting hatred to positive energy. They have 574 followers, and despite the low follower amount, they are still able to make it to a $5.58 million market cap. So obviously that is pretty darn interesting. And yes, there was a slight dump. I'm not gonna lie, this was a dump. But assuming that we do break this top right here, okay, assuming that we do break this top, you could expect this to pretty much enter a price discovery and pretty much explode from here. I mean, we could pretty much see a massive explosion, like a 10x, maybe 20x. Maybe we could see it go to $50 million. I would not be surprised. It seems like holders are holding and they're not really panicking.